Hi, welcome back to our channel Investment Edge. Purchasing a home is a significant milestone and a decision that holds immense financial and emotional implications. For home buyers, navigating the complex real estate market can be both exciting and overwhelming. To ensure a smooth and successful home buying journey, it is essential to be armed with crucial knowledge and insights. In this guide, we present 5 essential things that every prospective homebuyer should know before taking that crucial step towards homeownership. From financial readiness to understanding the importance of home inspections and due diligence, these key factors will empower buyers to make informed choices, find the right property, and secure their dream home with confidence. Here are 5 essential things that home buyers need to know before purchasing a house. 1. Financial readiness. Home buyers must have a clear understanding of their financial situation before buying a house. 1. This includes A. Determining a realistic budget, assessing their income, savings, and monthly expenses to establish a budget that aligns with their financial capabilities. 1. A general rule of thumb is that housing expenses should not exceed 30% of their gross monthly income. 1. B. Saving for down payment and closing costs. Saving for a down payment, usually 3% to 20% of the home's purchase price, and setting aside funds for closing costs, typically 2% to 5% of the home's price, is crucial to secure a mortgage and finalize the purchase. 2. Mortgage pre-approval. Obtaining a mortgage pre-approval from a lender is a significant advantage when house hunting. 2. Pre-approval helps in 2 key ways. A. Strengthening negotiating power. Sellers are more likely to take offers seriously from buyers with pre-approval, as it indicates they have a higher chance of securing financing. 2. B. Knowing the budget limit. Pre-approval informs buyers of the maximum loan amount they qualify for, assisting them in narrowing down their search to properties within their budget. 3. Location and neighborhood analysis. Choosing the right location and neighborhood is critical for long-term satisfaction with the home purchase. 3. Consider the following factors. A. Commute and accessibility. Evaluate the proximity to work, schools, public transportation, and essential amenities. 3. B. Safety and crime rates. Research crime statistics and safety measures to ensure a secure living environment. 3. C. Schools and education. Check the quality of nearby schools, especially if there are children or plans for a family. Home inspection and due diligence. Home inspection and due diligence are essential steps in the home buying process as they help protect the buyer's interests and ensure that they are making a well-informed decision when purchasing a property. Here are the reasons why home inspection and due diligence are necessary. Identify potential issues. A professional home inspection allows the buyer to uncover any hidden problems or defects with the property. Inspectors thoroughly examine the structural integrity, electrical systems, plumbing, roofing, HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and other crucial components of the home. This helps buyers understand the condition of the property beyond what may be visible during a casual viewing. Avoid costly surprises. Discovering significant issues after purchasing a home can lead to unexpected and expensive repairs. Conducting a home inspection before finalizing the purchase enables the buyer to negotiate with the seller for repairs or price adjustments based on the findings. In some cases, the buyer may decide to walk away from the deal if the inspection reveals serious problems that were not disclosed or known during the initial stages. Negotiation tool. The home inspection report can be used as a valuable negotiation tool. If the inspection reveals minor issues, the buyer may request that the seller fix them before closing or provide a credit to cover the cost of repairs. In the case of major issues, the buyer may have the option to renegotiate the purchase price or even back out of the contract if the seller is unwilling to address the problems. Safety and peace of mind. Knowing the condition of the property ensures that the buyer and their family will be living in a safe environment. It also helps the buyer make an informed decision about potential risks and necessary maintenance that may be required in the future. Compliance and legal considerations. Home inspections can help identify any code violations or compliance issues that need to be addressed. Ensuring the property meets building codes and local regulations can prevent legal problems and future liabilities for the buyer. Due diligence on property and seller. In addition to a home inspection, due diligence involves verifying the property's title, boundaries, liens, and any other legal encumbrances. This process helps the buyer confirm that the seller has the legal right to sell the property and that there are no legal issues affecting the purchase. 1. Long-term resale potential. Even if the homebuyer plans to live in the property for a long time, considering the home's resale potential is essential for future financial stability. 1. Factors to contemplate. A. Market trends. understand current market conditions and potential future trends to gauge the likelihood of property appreciation. 1. B. Growth and development. Research local development plans, infrastructure projects, and other indicators of the neighborhood's growth potential. The down payment on a home refers to the initial payment made by the buyer when purchasing the property. The percentage of the down payment is calculated based on the total purchase price of the home. Here's the difference between a 5% and a 20% down payment. Down payment amount. 5% down payment. If a homebuyer puts down 5% of the total purchase price as a down payment, it means they are paying only 5% of the home's value up front, and the remaining 95% is financed through a mortgage loan. 20% down payment. In this scenario, the homebuyer pays 20% of the total purchase price up front, and the remaining 80% is financed through a mortgage loan. Mortgage loan amount. 5% down payment. With a 5% down payment, the homebuyer needs a larger mortgage loan to cover the majority of the home's cost. A larger loan means higher monthly mortgage payments and possibly a longer loan term. 20% down payment. With a 20% down payment, the homebuyer requires a smaller mortgage loan since they have already paid a significant portion of the home's price up front. A smaller loan means lower monthly mortgage payments and potentially a shorter loan term. Private mortgage insurance, PMI. 5% down payment. When a homebuyer puts down less than 20%, most lenders typically require them to pay for private mortgage insurance, PMI. PMI is an additional cost that protects the lender in case the borrower defaults on the loan. It adds to the monthly mortgage payment. 20% down payment. If a homebuyer puts down 20% or more, they generally do not need to pay for PMI, resulting in lower monthly mortgage payments. Interest and total loan cost. 5% down payment. A smaller down payment increases the loan amount, which means the homebuyer will pay more interest over the life of the loan. This also impacts the total cost of the loan. 20% down payment. A larger down payment reduces the loan amount, leading to lower overall interest payments and a lower total loan cost. Eligibility and loan terms. 5% down payment. Some homebuyers may find it easier to qualify for a mortgage with a 5% down payment since it requires less upfront cash. However, they may face stricter lending terms and higher interest rates due to the higher loan-to-value ratio. 20% down payment. Homebuyers with a 20% down payment are often seen as less risky by lenders, which can lead to more favorable loan terms, lower interest rates, and a more straightforward mortgage approval process. In summary, a 5% down payment allows for a smaller upfront payment but comes with higher monthly mortgage payments, the need for PMI, and potentially higher overall loan costs. On the other hand, a 20% down payment requires a more substantial initial investment but offers advantages such as lower monthly payments, no PMI, and potential savings on interest and total loan cost. Homebuyers should carefully consider their financial situation and long-term goals when deciding on the appropriate down payment amount. By understanding these 5 key aspects, homebuyers can approach their purchase with confidence, making informed decisions that align with their financial goals and lifestyle preferences. As the curtain falls on our guide, we hope that these essential insights have provided aspiring homebuyers with the clarity and understanding they need to embark on their homeownership journey. By carefully considering financial readiness, obtaining mortgage pre-approval, analyzing location and neighborhood factors, prioritizing home inspections and due diligence, and assessing long-term resale potential, buyers can navigate the real estate market with confidence and assurance. Remember, with the support of knowledgeable real estate professionals and diligent research, your dream of owning a home can become a reality. Here's to finding the perfect home that fulfills your aspirations and lays the foundation for a fulfilling future. Happy house hunting!